Hello, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to use iMovie, specifically an editing tool called Overlay. So first you're going to need to create a new project. So click the plus icon, you'll get two options. Click the first that says Movie. So now your project's ready, but you don't have any media in iMovie yet. So there's an easy way to add this. If you select your media, drag and drop it into the media box. iMovie has three key areas. So in the top left, there's the media area. In the top right, you have the video editing tools. And on the bottom, you have the timeline. So to add a background video or image, you need to take one of the clips from the media area and drag it into the timeline area. So now that you have the background image ready, you're going to need to add the overlay image. So the image or video from the media area, drag and drop that into the timeline area above the background image. So now we're ready to start using the editing tools. So click the crop icon, and then we're going to change the style to fit. So this will allow us to have the full image without any cropping. Okay, next we're going to click the Overlay Options button. We're going to select the fourth option on the list, Picture in Picture. So now you can change the size of the overlaid image. You can also move it around, and you can change the border, making it thick or thin. You can also change the colour by clicking on the small black box. So if you don't want to overlay an image onto the background, that's fine. If you follow the exact same steps, then you can easily add other media like a video.